So we've all seen these examples of what's called ASCII art, whether it be Einstein, Banksy, the Beatles, or the great waves of Kanawha. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to turn a video into what I call ASCII video. But to understand this, let's first review how to turn a picture into ASCII art. First, we have to look at an image for what it really is, just a combination of a bunch of pixels. Then, we start by resizing and adding a grayscale filter to the image. Notice how it's more pixelated now. So how do you resize the image? It's simple. You take a group of pixels, find their average, and make that your new pixel. On the right, we can see a 6x6 grid getting turned into a 2x2 grid. And as we saw before, this pixelates the image. Then, we invert and normalize the pixels. Inverting means we switch the black and white, and normalizing means we take the most black pixel and set its value to 0. Finally, in our last step, we can appropriately map a list of ASCII characters to the most bright pixels. And now we have an algorithm that can turn an image to ASCII art. This is known as the asciinator algorithm. So how can we do this with videos? Well, it's not too complicated. If we're given a video, first we extract every single frame from that video. Then to each frame, we apply the asciinator algorithm to make into ASCII art. Then we converge all of those frames into a single video, and voila. Now for obvious reasons, to speed up the process of making a video, I wrote a Python script that does this all for you, and it will be available on my GitHub in the description below. And once you're on my GitHub, you can get to the code by clicking ASCII video. This will take you to the repository which has the code, including a readme and a couple of other stuff. Here you can see I even give a tutorial on how to use it, and I give a flowchart on how the code works as well. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on GitHub if you want, and start this repository if you can. Thank you.